Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Jody and I'm really glad that you're here because today we are going to solve one of makeup's big mysteries. Setting powder versus setting spray. Ever wonder which one to use, if you even use one at all, or do you need to use both? Well, stay tuned because I'm about to break it all down so that your makeup can look flawless all day long. Whether you're just running errands or heading out to a harvest party this fall, I've got you covered. I'm going to share with you my favorite setting powders and setting sprays in a variety of different price points so that if you decide that using one or both is right for you, you'll have a couple options. Now, as we get started, I want to thank you guys for being channel members. If you subscribe to the channel, it's completely free and I appreciate it so much. If you join the channel, you become a channel enthusiast for 99 cents a month. That's the lowest price that YouTube offers, and it's $12 a year to say that you enjoy this content and allows me to keep making it. So thank you for those. I have had people ask me if there's exclusive memberships, if there's exclusive perks, and I chose not to do exclusive perks for a price. And I'm all in support of the channels that do it and the creators that do it. I understand why they do it. For me personally, it was a decision that I made because I like to create content for everyone. And I just felt like if I say, well, if you pay this amount of money, you get more content, I didn't want content to not be available to anybody that wanted it. So I don't have exclusive memberships for a higher fee or anything like that. It's just, if you like the channel and you want to support it, it's 99 cents a month, $12 a year, and then that allows me to keep content available for everyone. So thank you for those of you that have hit that join button down below and are channel enthusiasts. It means a lot and allows me to continue to create these videos for you guys, and everyone gets to have access to all the content. All right, so breaking it down between setting powders and setting sprays. So here's the deal. Both setting powders and setting sprays are used to lock in your makeup look for all day. They both serve different purposes and are best for different skin types and occasions. Setting powder is a must if you have oily skin or if you're using a cream or liquid foundation. It helps absorb excess oils, smooths out fine lines, and gives your skin a soft matte finish. Now you may be saying, Jody, I don't have oily skin, but I do use a liquid foundation. What do I do in that case? Well, you can either do one of two things. You can use a setting powder to spot in some of the areas where you find that you get more shiny throughout the day, which some people is in their T-zone, or you can just use a setting spray. We'll get to the benefits of that one in a second. Two of my favorite setting powders is this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. They have changed the packaging, so I'll link the new one down below, so don't look for one that looks exactly like this. I've just had this one since before they changed the packaging. You just want to use the lightest amount. I like to use it on a tapered fluffy brush. Put the powder all around the sides of the brush, and then I tap off anything extra. And then you can put it wherever you typically get oily. For some people, that might be all over your face. As we age, you might find that it works better if you just apply it in your T-zone, or some people just get oily on their chin, wherever you tend to get oily. Now again, if you have dry skin, this may not be your best option. The other one that I really like is this one. This is called One Size. This is by Patrick Starr, and this is a translucent powder. I love this one as well. It doesn't settle into fine lines and wrinkles. I don't find that it makes my foundation cakey. But again, think about setting powders if you like that soft, matte, almost blurred halo glow filter look to your skin. If that's the case, then a powder might be the better option for you. However, if you like a natural glow to your skin, more of that pretty shine from within, but not too satiny look, then setting spray might be the better option. Now, setting spray is your go-to for a dewy skin complexion, a finished look that's more natural, soft glow, but not necessarily a soft matte. And think of a setting spray as a sealant to lock in your makeup look without feeling heavy from powders. Setting sprays are perfect for those with dry skin or if you want to have a dewy finish to your overall makeup look. look. Setting spray is also ideal for that locked in, long wear look. Think weddings, think events, or anytime you want your makeup to stay in place without having to go back and do touch-ups. Now for me, I love the e.l.f. setting sprays. There's a couple of them. There's one that smells like coconut that is fantastic. This one is the Stay All Night Blue Light Micro Setting Mist. I do like these. The challenge with them is I find a lot of setting sprays, the All Nighter by Urban Decay is another really good one, but it also, like the e.l.f., contains alcohol. My personal favorite that I use all the time, and if you have watched any of my videos, you know this is my go-to. This is the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. This does not contain alcohol, and you guys, when I tell you that my skin has, I don't like a dewy finish, I like a semi-matte finish. So I put on a little bit of powder in my T-zone, and then I finish with this setting spray so that I can just really lock in my look. And this lasts all day, absolutely all day. I was at a wedding for my niece a couple weeks ago, and I needed to get ready really early in the day to help my sister prepare, you know, ironing dresses, blah, 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 all the stuff. And I wasn't gonna be able to go back and touch up my makeup. And the wedding didn't start until 5. Pictures were after the wedding and my makeup still looked fantastic, and I have to contribute that to this setting spray. So which one might be best for you? Again, if you have oily skin or you like a more matte, soft matte finish, then a setting powder is your better option. If you have dry skin or you like a little bit more of a dewy, glowy skin, then a setting spray is your better option. Now you may be a crossover between both of those categories. Maybe you've got oily skin, but you like a soft, dewy finish. If that's the case, then use a mattifying primer before any of your makeup, and that keeps you from having to use the powder that gives you that matte look, and then use a setting spray. Now you might be on the flip side of that crisscross and have dry skin, but like a matte finish to your makeup. If that's the case, then I would recommend that you use a matte foundation to cover your skin instead of any powder, and then set that with your setting spray. Gives you that matte finish with just a little bit of dew on top, equaling that more soft, matte, little bit of glow, but not too much of a satin natural finish to your skin. So which is right for you? Maybe the answer is both. The good news is you can buy an inexpensive yet effective setting powder and a setting spray so that you can play around with a combination of the two, or maybe after this video, hopefully I've cleared it up for you and you know which one is right for you. Now that you're ready to lock in your look, comment below and let me know, are you team powder or team spray? And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more beauty hacks and makeup magic. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in just a couple days. Bye-bye.